Okay, brand new account. It's now set up as Commander Chris P. Duck, and I've opened up Disembarked in Chamberlain's Rest, which is in the starter zone. Nothing else has been done at this particular time, so let's do a few things to sort things out. Right, just getting my bearings. They are the hangars which go down to your ship. So which is down there. So these are the mission boards and what have you. We'll get to that in a minute. But what I'm going to do now is set up my character and see what I look like. Male, yep. Body type male. Helmet always on. Nope, I like emergencies only. Right, complexion. I'll have that. Let's look at the presets. Don't know which one I like at the moment. Whoops! Hit the wrong button by accident on my mouse. I'll go for that. Skin base. Fair. Nah, slightly darker. Medium fair. Molds. Yeah, just go for that. Asymmetry, not going to bother with that. Scars. None. Okay, let's look at hair. Don't want curly. I'm not a curly. How about like that? I'll go for light brown. Beige blonde. It's a beige blonde. I'll go for that. Ash blonde. Stubble match hair. Beard none. Just go for that ash blonde. Eyebrows. Yeah, keep those as that eyebrows colour. Guess what? Let's see what we can have eyebrows. I've got fairly bushy eyebrows. Yeah. Face. Eye colour brown. I'll go for bright blue. Why not? Turquoise it calls it. Nose preset. Narrow, yeah. Mouth preset. Let's customize the mouth. Serious, small. Bow, full. I'll go for full. Width and height. Upper lip profile, see what different. Doesn't make a lot of difference, does it? Ears preset. Customize. Big, cauliflower, long, full, sloped, round. Sloped. Size. Yeah, little ears. Prominence. No, not really. Thickness. Make it slightly thicker. Yeah, okay. Head. Type. That'll do. Heavy brow. Yeah, why not? Anyhow, you can play around these to your heart's content. I'm just going to call that quits at the present time. I wear none. Haven't bought that. Tattoos and what have you, haven't. So save, create a slot, confirm.
That's affirmative, Commander.
Thank you. That's something I've written, by the way, and it's also combined with HCS voice packs with voice attack. So there you go. So now we've got him sorted. Right. Have we got... Can I do my vehicle here? No, I can't. I wanted to do livery, but I can't do that here. So let's go back. So let's go to... I want to go back to Starport Services. Right. What can I do here? Okay. Oh, that's where I was, you stupid bugger. Right, interstar contacts. Yeah, Ministry of Contact, Mission Board. No, I can't do livery here. So let's move away from here and go and find this ship.
Good to see you.
Cheers, mate. Right, there are various doodahs. This is front line, so this is where you're going for a combat. This is Apex, which is where you're going for the shuttle. And these are your hangars. Express lift cannot interact. Why? It's a new one on me. So let's have a look at ships front line. Did I do a pilot tutorial? I'm not going to do that, so I'll do it, but I just won't record it. Okay, training completed, and now I am back. Some sort of station, don't know where it is. It's Chamberlain's Rest, I don't know. Soon find out, won't we?
Commander Chris E. Duckinship, flight suit named.
Back at Chamberlain's Rest. Okay.
House Door Holdings, Navigan, Hoffman Installation, Silver Comet Limited. You were in hit
Now I can
97,950.
interact. What a tiny ship. Oh, pardon me. So get on your ship. Don't hit your head on anything. Board. So here I am on the ship. So let's customize the ship. Outfitting, do that in a minute. Livery, let's sort my ship out. Sidey, paint job, empty. I've got no, how many? 335 orcs. I don't know if you get anything for that. Right, I like that one actually. Go back. Right. General. Decals. Ship kits. Identification. Right. Nameplate 1. It's a name, so I'm going to call this ship I haven't got the actual nameplates, so I've got to name the ship. Change name, and yeah, ship name. Noodle. Oh no, ship name. Got the wrong way around. Right, ship name Hoisin, ship ID Noodle.
Commander Chris P. Duckin, ship Sidewinder named Hoisin.
There you go. Right. Nameplates. Can I afford any nameplates? 2250. No, I can't. No, nothing there I can actually buy because you need arcs for that. Customizations are within real money when you buy arcs, but people say, but they're cheap. Nothing more than that. If you want to put on names and what have you, you can put all sorts of things and letters on or what have you. General is where you put your detailing or what have you. You can change your voices.
Greetings, Commander. Greetings, Commander. This is Verity. Your greetings, Commander.
I'm going for Victor, I think.
Greetings, Commander.
I actually have Archer, I have Karina, Celeste, and Leo all on different accounts.
Greetings. Ich grüße Sie, Kommandant. Dies ist Gerhard.
Right, now got Victor. Right, okay, let's come out to that now. Scarab. Paint jobs empty. Packs. Decals. Nah, can't do anything there.
I sometimes throw Dave a stick. Once it took him 3 years to come back with it.
Okay. That's my ship set up now. Right, one thing that is weak on these ships, apart from the weapons, but you can't do much at the present moment, is the core eternal. Now if you start off a ship in Odyssey, you're given 250,000. So everything as you see here is class 1, level, a module size 1, and class 1 or 2. They're all owned, so if you sell it, all you're doing is giving it back, so you get no money. So what I want to do is change that class 2 frame shift drive from a 2D. D is lightweight, always the lightest, but the performance is not very good, so I want to change that from 2D to a 2A. And the next thing I'm going to do is change the power plant from a 2E to a 2B.
Shield offline. Shield online.
So now I've got that much money left, but I've got a decent power plant, which will enable me to cycle the capacitors quicker when you're recharging, and basically boost faster. Right, okay, that's side sorted out. You are now ready to go out and get a mission. We've already done outfitting. This is delivery. Advanced maintenance, when you need it, would come up. I don't know what's happened here, but it's gone berserk. There you go. This is doing it itself. No idea why. Anyway, I'll call this an end, and the next one will be starting missions. Bye for now.